everyone, Ron from Taylor Racing, and it's time for the latest video. You guys have asked, and so I thought I'd better make a video on it. What happened to the Raptor? What's going on? What am I driving? What am I doing? And the question is, I blew up the Raptor coming to work. I was going extremely fast, and the engine blew. Basically, the engine blew. That's all I can say. The engine's gone. I got quoted $18,000 US to repair the Raptor motor, and no, it's not. I can't justify doing that right now. As yeah, that's a big bill for a truck with 182,000 miles on it already, yeah. So, anyways, people said, "Hey, what do you have for a truck? What are you getting for a truck?" And I looked and I looked and I looked and I test drove and I searched and there's nothing good down here, right? And then a truck popped up that is very special, very special. It was my brother's truck. Now, love it, hate it. It's this. I love this truck, but it makes me sad. Last time I was with my brother, we had one hell of a weekend in this truck, and when he passed away and we did his service, I drove my brother's ashes in this truck to the service. You know, to most people it's just an F-150, but to the family and our friends, this is Tanner's truck, right? And to commemorate that, we got a license plate for him, for us, to commemorate that, TT47. Anyone that knows the family and knows Tanner, 47 was his number and Tanner Taylor was his initials, so TT47. Now the problem is I'm in Texas with this truck, and I don't want to beat this truck up and down the oil field very long if I don't have to. So my daughter wants this truck. She wants to keep it forever, which I can totally get behind. So long story short, we're keeping the truck. I got the truck now for a little bit, and you know, my daughter wants to eventually come down, pick it up, drive it home. So it's in the family back in Alberta for good. And then I'll still have to find something, right? Do I repair the Raptor? What do you guys think? Should I dump the $18,000 US into the Rally Raptor 2.0 Gen 2 and have a new motor in it that has a 3-year warranty? Or do I just sell it, buy something different? I don't know. You tell me. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. So that is the answer. What have I been doing for a truck? What do I have for a truck? I have the best truck right now, my brother's truck. So very happy. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you later. Cheers, everyone.